today, Walter and I have macaroni and cheese made by Walt. And for your announcements, remember, if you would like to be a pen pal for some area senior citizens, get in touch with Mrs. Spalding. You can email her. Continue to send stories to Mrs. Murphy for the Echo. Meal drop-off schedules are changed. They are Monday, Wednesday, Friday at Greater Plains and Valleyview and select locations. Check the description for details on that. Let us know in the comments how you're doing, how you're holding up while we're still out of school during week 3. Let us know what you think of the recipes. Make sure you check out in the video in the description. We'll have ingredient lists and volumes. Take it easy. Alright, what are we doing?
We're making mac and cheese, and we're using it with shells. So as you see, we're boiling water, and in this one, we're gonna make the cheese. We're going to shred Monterrey and sharp cheddar.
Peacocks as kids instead of Pavlov's dogs. Would you like a piece of cheese? Here you go.
About a cup of heavy cream. Now that the cream is hot, we will add a little cheese. A handful? Instead, just keep swimming. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring forever. And some emulsion cheese for the emulsifier. Now we add the cheese to the noodles. We're gonna bake it for 55 minutes and 35 degrees.
350 degrees.
350 degrees.